Hello, young scholars. Today we're going to create a very special assignment using the art element lines. We know that lines, there are many different types of lines. Our assignment today is we're going to create Zentangle Designs, or Zentangle Lions. This is an example of different types of Zentangle lines. When we're talking about lines, lines can be straight, curved, zigzag, and broken. Lines create patterns. A pattern is a combination of shapes repeated in a recurring and regular arrangement. For example, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Something that repeats itself is actually a pattern. Now, when we're talking about patterns, we're talking about a Zentangle. A Zentangle is a method of creating beautiful images from repetitive patterns. So let's get ready, boys and girls. What I would like to do is I would like to read a story or actually show you beautiful pictures of animals in a storybook. And you would notice that these animals have different patterns on them. They have patterns like we're going to use today to create our Zentangle design. Our book is called Beasts of India. Beasts of India. Take a very close look at the different animals that you see in the storybook. Tiger, zigzag lines. Tigers, curved and zigzag lines. Tiger, straight lines. Tiger, zigzag lines. Lion, zigzag lines. Lion, straight lines. Deer, curved lines. Deer, straight lines. Deer. I want you to look and see if you can identify the lines. Anteater, straight lines. Snake, zigzag lines. Snake, curved lines. Bulls, straight. Bulls, zigzag lines. As we continue on, we're looking at all the beautiful different types of lines that we talked about. Straight, curved, zigzag, broken, zigzag. That's a boar. A wild boar. Identify your lines. Buffalo, curved lines. Crocodiles. They have a variety of lines that you might not be able to see, but they have curved lines. And here's our monkey. He has curved lines. Also some broken lines. The elephant, you have zigzag and curved lines. Here's an elephant. On the bottom, you see curved lines. This is all of the beautiful animals with the different types of lines. And let's get ready. I would like to show you some examples of my personal artwork. This is an elephant that has a variety of different lines. A rhinoceros, which I haven't completed. Let's take a look at my sketchbook. And you have a free form lion. What I would suggest we do today, boys and girls, let's start out very, very simple. We would like to take a sheet of white paper, and you're also going to need a crayon. I would suggest you use a black crayon. Mine is blue. Place a dot in the center of your paper. I would like for you to start out with the free form design because it's easier and you can transfer it into drawing your own animals later on. But today, let's just learn how to create our Zentangle lines. This is the free form design that I created. I start out with a little dot, a circle in the middle of my page. I'm going to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm not really for sure if you can see these lines. However, what I want to do, I'll hold it up for you. These are my 5 lines. I plan to use my Sharpie marker because I want to make it a little easier for you to be able to see. So I'm going to demonstrate again how to create your lines. Start in the center with a circle, a line, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 lines. Now, what we want to do is we want to actually draw Zentangle Designs in all of our lines. I want to drop down my computer so you can see what I'm doing. My first Zentangle design, all I would like to do is just create straight lines. 1, 2, and it doesn't matter how many straight lines I create. I'm just creating straight lines. I want to change it up and make my Zentangle design look different. So inside of my straight line, I want to add a curved line. I skip one, curved line, curved line, curved line, curved line. Skip one, curved line, curved line, curved line, curved line, curved line. Skip one, curved line, curved line, curved line, curved line, curved line, and curved line. Skip, curve, 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 curve. Skip one, curved line, curved line. This is my first pattern. I'm not going to color into layers. Now I have my next Zentangle shape that I need to fill in. I can keep it simple by just using my Sharpie marker or my crayon and pressing down as hard as I can. I want to add nothing but a zigzag line, zigzag, zigzag lines, up and down, zigzag, zigzag. Now, I want to turn over to the next section of my paper, and this time I would like to add a different type of line. I'm going to do broken lines. When we talk about broken lines are line, dot, dot, line, dot, 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 line, dot, 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 and let's continue on with broken lines. I want to change it up a little and add my curved line. Now, I continue on with my design, and as I filled in, this time I want to do something special. I'm thinking about all those special lines that we talked about, and I want to show you the lines in which we were talking about today in art. And we said that lines can be straight, curved, zigzag, and broken. So all we're doing is experimenting with our different types of lines. Now, using my Sharpie marker, I want to continue on with my different types of lines. I want to add straight line, straight line, straight line, zigzag line, zigzag line, zigzag line, broken line. I'm using a variety of different types of lines here. Straight line, a fatter line, zigzag line, broken line. I will leave this area open for you in order to see everything. I'm going to leave it open for you. Now, what we're going to do is you're going to have the opportunity to actually use your crayons this morning, and you can fill in your lines. When you're coloring, that's called scribbling. Do not scribble. When you're coloring, take your time and shade in horizontally or vertically. That's the way we shade in when we're coloring. For example, if I would like to color my circle of shapes, I shade in, straight across, shading in, shading in, shading in. Our assignment today has been a Zentangle, and we know a Zentangle is using different types of lines. What I would like for you boys and girls to do is to take some white paper or your notebook paper and practice drawing your Zentangle patterns. And contact me if you need help with anything. This is my email address, johnsonj20@fultonschools.org. Again, johnsonj20@fultonschools.org. This has been a BES, Bethune Elementary School production. My name is Miss Johnson. Enjoy your day and enjoy creating your beautiful Zentangle designs. Thank you.